Want to turn ideas into income? Say less. It's Free Money Wednesdays. Every week, we drop the hottest funding alerts, grants, scholarships, startup catch, and hidden gems. Tune in with the Free Money crew as we break down how to apply, win, and level up. From the blog to the tube, we've got you covered. Visit mycoachministry.com/blog or subscribe on YouTube at mycoachministry for the latest drops.
Okay, so now we're going on to our funding alerts, Free Money Wednesdays segment of the program. All right, so as you can see on what I'm sharing with you is my website, and I'm going to go to the blog segment in a minute. All right, so our blog posts, top grants to apply for in July 2020. This information is relevant to that. You know what? Before let's do this first. Because there's something else I want to share with you. So here we go. Here we are. All right. So that post that you're looking at right there, top grants to apply for in July 2025, lists over 80 funding opportunities, including Amazon's Black Business Accelerator, Amber Grants, the Empower Her Grant, eBay Up and Running, Enthuse Foundation Grants, and more. However, no specific winners or recipient announcements are published directly on my blog post right here. All right, but here's what's known. For the Amber Grant, they had a June winner, and it was the Good Food CFO. Also, editorial note, July winner will likely be announced by late August. I'm just sharing with you some winners of grants or some information around the awarding of grants and I'm really relating it to the month of July. And as I go forward, I do it for each month, right? And it's just based on what information is available to us when we do our research. Yes? Okay. So, yes. And the Amber Grant startup category, Blue Moves Media LLC won the June 2025 startup grant. Her Rise Micro Grant, monthly grants continue, but public naming is rare. And the eBay Up and Running Grant, the eBay Up and Running Grant, winners selected by eBay/Hello Alice. Official 2025 winners are not yet released, have not yet been released. Okay, what this means for applicants. Just because a grant program exists doesn't mean there's immediate winner visibility. Because sometimes they protect identity of people, and sometimes people want it to be private too. Many awardees aren't published publicly. For example, Her Rise. Always check the grant's official site or newsletter for winner announcements and updates. And the links to each of these grant websites are there on the blog. Prepare as if you will win, even before results are posted. Now, practical takeaways for entrepreneurs. Track deadlines and winner timelines. Amber Grant announces next month. eBay releases winners months later. Subscribe and engage. Sign up for our newsletter to follow platforms like sign up for newsletters to follow platforms like Hello Alice and Amber Grant for Women for recipient stories. Use existing winner examples like the Good Food CFO or Blue Moves Media as templates for strong proposals. Focus, impact stories, clear purpose. Call to action. Encourage listeners. I just want to encourage you to apply. Cultivate a habit of applying for grants. Have you applied or won any of these grants? Send us your story. We'd love to celebrate you on mycoachministry.com. Direct them to the original blog post with grant links and your downloadable grant prep checklist. And I'm going to run through the grant prep checklist with you right now. But I share these with you because I want you to know that the information I'm sharing with you is not some hypothetical thing. It's not I'm not sharing something with you that is impossible or will never happen. No, People are winning grants on a daily, monthly, weekly, yearly basis. People are winning grants, and you can become one of those people. You know. All right. So let me quickly go over to the blog so I can share the grant funding checklist with you, and it's downloadable from my website. Grant funding checklist for entrepreneurs. Okay. Top 10 essentials to check before you apply, because smart money follows smart prep. You've got the vision, you've got the hustle. Now you're eyeing grant funding to level up your business. Before you start chasing down dollars, make sure you've got your strategic ducks in a row. This checklist will help you avoid rookie mistakes, stand out from the noise, and actually win the money. Number one, mission match. Are you speaking their language? Have you researched the funder's mission? Does your business or project clearly align with it? Can you explain the connection in one sentence? Pro tip: if it feels like a stretch, it is a stretch. Move on. Number two, eligibility. Are you even in the game? Do you meet all the funder's basic requirements? Are you located in a supported region? Is your business structure eligible? Don't waste time applying for money that can't legally go to you. Number three, crystal clear objectives. Can you define exactly what you need the funding for? Is the purpose tied directly to growth, innovation, or community impact? Can you pitch it in one sentence? If your idea is fuzzy, your application will be DOA, dead on arrival. Number four, show impact, not just activity. Can you describe the measurable results of your project? Do you know how you track progress? Can you prove your business will be stronger because of the grant? Think, how will your business, customers, or community change for the better? Number five, bulletproof budget. Have you built a line item budget tied to the goals? Are all costs justified and realistic? Did you include any required co-funding or in-kind contributions? Numbers tell your story too. Make them sharp and smart. Number six, execution ready team. Do you have the people or partner needed to deliver? Are you confident you can hit the proposed milestones? Have you tackled similar projects before? Funders don't just back ideas, they back operators. Sustainability strategy. Number seven, what happens when the grant ends? Will this project generate revenue or long-term benefits? Can you describe a plan to keep momentum going? No one wants to fund a one-hit wonder. Number eight, metrics and measurements. Do you have KPIs or outcomes to track success? Can you report on your impact in numbers, stories, or both? Is evaluation built into your project timeline? Show how you prove their investment paid off. Number nine, rock solid timeline. Do you have a realistic project timeline? Are key phases and deliverables clearly mapped out? Is it doable with your current resources? If your schedule feels tight to you, it'll terrify a funder. Number 10 and last, polish and proof. Have you removed jargons, fluff, and filler? Did at least 2 people proofread your application? Is your tone confident, clear, and compelling? Your grant proposal is your first impression. Make it sleek. So here are some final words of wisdom. You're not just applying for free money. You're pitching a case for why your business matters and why now is the time to invest in your growth. This checklist isn't just about getting the grant. It's about running your business like the funding is already yours. If you want a printable version of this checklist, in a clean, modern PDF. Download it using the link below. So it's available right there on the website for you. Wow. It is my hope that the information I shared with you today has been useful as you go forward and shine, 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 and thrive, thrive, thrive. Okay? Please remember to like, share, comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what support you need. Let me know if this information is helpful for you, or let me know what other specific information I could get for you. Let me know how I can support you. All right? And thank you so much for supporting me by being here. Thank you so much. All right, we've come to the end of another show, and I just want to say thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for joining me on this program today, tonight, whenever you're watching. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Please remember to like, share, comment. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Anyway, I just want to say thank you. It's been my pleasure being here with you today on this episode 19, and I look forward to number 20 that's coming the week after this one. And I look forward to bigger things and greater things, and yeah, I'm looking forward to getting to know you better. I'm looking forward to our numbers increasing. And I'm looking forward to God just really blessing this program and using it as a tool of support for entrepreneurs, his people, the people he assigned and appoint with divine purpose. So I just want to say thank you so much. I'm Coach Raquel. It's been a pleasure. It's been an absolute pleasure for me to do this, to be here with you. And I wish you nothing but the best. I hope you have the best day ever. The most amazing, the most wonderful day. I pray that love finds you. I pray that you are supported. It is my hope that you're not alone as you go through your entrepreneur journey. I pray that the right people align with you, and I pray that you get some grants. And for those of you who maybe having a challenging time, or you're going through character building periods in your life, listen, know this, right? Breakdowns lead to breakthroughs. So just do your self work. All right? Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Coach Raquel. Bye. Thank you.
mycoachministry.com. We're on a mission to empower 1 million purpose-driven entrepreneurs, turning calling into currency. Through strategic coaching, we guide visionary leaders, brand elevation, and creative empowerment, helping leaders break barriers and own their identity. Build impactful, wealth-generating brands that echo across generations.
I love to open new packages. I want to know the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Raquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.